Okay. Hi. Okay, can you read it now?
I'm eating some corn dog.
Very good.
I can see a dog.
Very good. Oh, ready. Point our fingers.
The dog can what? Have a bathtub.
Bat. Very good. The dog can have a bat. Okay, next.
How about bathtub?
Okay, next. Point.
A bird.
No. What letter is that?
I can see a bird.
Very good. Last one.
The bird can sing.
Very good. The bird can sing.
What the bird can sing?
Yeah, it can sing. What's the title of the book again? Can you read it? Last one, Brianna. Can you read it? Point.
No, I can see.
Very good.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy.